card. How are you going to verify that card that you already run it before you add another one? First, you enter here. First, we enter here, the place I circle. Then you see card here. Then you press enter. You see this card 1 2 3 4 is verified. And how are you going to, then when you enter this verify, you see you are going to enter 4 code they said through your debit card, through your debit alert message. There is a 4 code that they can send you through a debit alert message. Let me show you example of that. Let me get out because I have it in my gallery. Let me show you. Yes, this is the example of the code. This one, this is the example of the code. This one, they are going to send you through your debit alert, and when you write it there, let's go back to our Mifinity wallet. When you write them here, you can see successful, you are successful, verify your card, and then you can add another card. This is how you are going to get verification. And don't forget, when you send someone your dollars, you have to follow him. If that person say the money is not delivered to him, don't worry. Yeah, it will deliver to him or it will be returned to your account. But this is the place, status submitted. This is the place that you are always